Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add scope settings on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, and after that you should tap on this settings button that you can find in the upper right corner next to the map. Then click on controls in the left side column below the settings title, then click on basic controls at the top of the screen and scroll down to the second category, which is scope settings. So here you can set the scope mode by tapping on tap, hold or mixed. You can set the quick scope switch. You can enable it or disable it. You can set the focal length adjustment, camera rotation while ADS. You can enable it or disable it, and you can set the canted side button. You can tap to use or tap to switch it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.